Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can get a refund on your Gymshark purchases. So basically, to do this, the first thing that you want to do is to search for Gymshark Refund on your web browser for mobile devices or Windows computer. Now from here, you then have to click on the support.gymsharks.com. How do I return my items? It will then take us to the article right here on order to do so. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to select your country. Now, to make it simple, we are then going to select United States. Now, to initiate the return or exchange, you then want to click on the button right here. But before that, you then have to make sure to basically read out all instruction right here in order to make sure that it goes smoothly on both of the ends. Now from here, just click on the button once again, and basically right after that, to do this, it's extremely simple. Just enter the order number or IV, enter the zip or postal code, and from there you then have the ability to start your return on Gymshark. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.